Crazy times for coffee bar owners out there. Luckily, I managed to stockpile some good beans before the lockdown began. But now I start running low on those already. I'm gonna order some from a local roaster here in Ghent, and then let's head out to a park nearby to take some pics. The light here in Ghent is back to the usual overcast, barely no shadow situation. Okay, I've been several times to this park, not really caring much about its origins or the uses of the park. It's a park, but thanks to my friend Chris, we recently went on the park and discovered actually really interesting things and took some pictures. Wait guys, this pergola. There may be a photo here. Try to find a way to show the path, but composition-wise, I'm not sure. Should I focus on the pergolas as a central item? Or maybe with the whole tree trunk in the picture? In summer, they usually do concerts and events in this amphitheater. And check the huge tree in the background. What a nice view. And here's my problem with photographing green spaces, trees, nature. It is certainly my lack of technical knowledge, but somehow I don't manage to see on those pictures what I can see with my eyes. It's like everything gets blended together, like on this pic. I didn't increase the saturation, but the green at the bottom and at the top of the pic. And yes, that is a fake tunnel, in a fake mountain. There is even a bunker on this park. Check that music stand. As I said, it's a great day. This is a monument to a Congolese boy brought to Ghent back in 1800 and something during the Belgium's colonial time. Not sure what the sign stands for, as the building is actually an old market. This place here has something that intrigues me. I recently learned that actually you have fisher photographers versus hunter photographers. And I'm certainly gonna be fishing on this place soon. I don't know, there is something about the entrance of that building, the trees, that I'm sure I can get a better picture out of it. Okay, added to my list of places to visit at different times of the day, or even the year. Reflection. Interesting subject, but I think it's not easy to avoid the overuse or even the lack of enough reflection. Maybe I guess the failure to use the right reflection fit in the particular photo, if that makes sense. So much to learn. Check this gate, guys. You see, for instance, I feel more attracted to this kind of photos. I don't know, is it the industrial look? Maybe the lack of super saturation? Is that even a real word? Let me see. Oh yes, but in chemistry, not photography. Anyway, is it that maybe nature is better feeling it, experiencing it in real life, rather than on a photography? I don't know. Or should I try photographing wild animals? So, conclusion for the day. I'm not sure if I enjoyed failing this miserably, at trying to photograph nature, to highlight the beauty of nature, because all those shades of green, I'm missing those on the pictures. Or was it maybe the plain light the whole day, no shadows? But in any case, I enjoyed learning a couple of things about the place I live in, and it's nice knowing that I have such a nice park so close by. I will be getting back there to try getting better pictures in the future, that's for sure.